So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to select the person here. So go to select and then subject. And now we need to watch a short ad, just press OK. And now I'm going to increase the size of the selection. So go to select, modify, and then select expand. So I'm going to expand it to around 70 and then press OK. And now while the selection is active, go to select again, modify, and this time select smooth. So this will make the selection here smoother. It won't have these, for example, hard edges. So I'm just going to double click here. Let's type around 50 and then press OK. You will see the selection kind of changes. Press OK. So here it is smoother. And now we need to convert this selection here into paths. So select the paths tab and then left click here on this icon here, selection to path. So now we have created our work path, and now let's select the layers tab again, select the type tool, left click. So the font I'm using is Montserrat, the style extra bold, the size 24, and the color is white. And now just make sure to left click here with the type tool on the path here, so left click. So here it is, you can see small dot here, small round circle. And now I'm going to select this text here, Control C to copy, and then let's go back. So I am still on the type tool and then just type Control V. And now as you can see, the text here is in the bottom area. If you want to place it on top, left click here on the path select, select path select. And now in the point here, in the round circle here, I'm just going to left click and then drag it up. And now I can still modify the text. So if I select the type tool, so double click. So here I have selected all text. I can change, for example, the size to 30. So you can also go to window, make sure to check character. So you will find the character and paragraph in the properties here. And now left click here, select all text, Control A. And now you can control, for example, spacing between the letters. So here like this, it's 100. So here, so I'm going to bring it back to 100. So this is the tracking. You can also, it kind of does the same thing. So here, this is the letter spacing too. So this one here is different from the other one. Tracking, I'm going to bring it back to 0. So you can also change the color, the text. Let's just say, for example, I will change it to this blue here, press OK. And now I'm going to close this window, so here. And now I'm going to remove the path here, just go to the paths tab. So I'm going to first select the layer, not the text, the layer here. And let's go to the paths tab. So here's the work path. You can still, for example, if you delete it, so here it is.